In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to download Adobe Premiere Pro for free on your PC or Mac. Let's get started. Click the link in the description box below this video. This will take you directly to Adobe's official Premiere Pro page, ensuring a safe, legitimate download. Once you're on Adobe's Premiere Pro page, click the Start Free Trial button. You'll be prompted to select a plan. Choose wisely between individual, business, or student/teacher options. For this example, we'll choose the business plan, which grants you the full 14-day free trial of Premiere Pro. You can also opt for a 7-day trial of Adobe stock, giving you 10 premium assets to download and keep. Once you've made your selections, click Continue to proceed. Next, enter your email address and provide basic personal and payment information. Don't worry, you won't be charged during the trial period as long as you cancel before it ends. After reviewing everything, click Agree and Subscribe. Then you'll be asked to create a secure password for your new Adobe account. Once your account is set up, you'll be prompted to download the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app. Go ahead and install it, then sign in using the same email and password you just created. In the Creative Cloud app, open the Apps tab, search for Premiere Pro, and click Install. The download will begin automatically, and once it's finished, Premiere Pro will be ready to use immediately. And that's it. You now have the full version of Adobe Premiere Pro installed and running. Perfect for diving into professional video editing during your free trial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to use the link in the description to get your free trial directly from Adobe and support our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.